Hey you guys, what's up? So let's tea stain a shirt together. So I bought this blouse from Shein, and when it arrived, I didn't really like how white it was. I tried it on, and with how stark white it looked, it almost made the shirt look very, very cheap. So I thought, well, how about I tea stain this? So I threw about 12 tea bags and the shirt in a bowl with some boiling hot water. Note to self, do not use a plastic bowl with boiling water. It completely cracked the bottom and all the water started leaking out. So we had to switch to a metal bowl. You're going to want to use black tea for staining. It just takes better into the fabric. So for this, I used some Old Irish and cinnamon black teas that I just had lying around. Be sure that every bit of fabric is getting saturated. Throughout the evening, I did walk through the kitchen and stir this a little bit. And this was also a fun project to do with my kiddo as well. He had so much fun stirring a shirt in a bowl full of water and tea. This was actually not my first time tea staining something. In fact, for my wedding, I tea stained my wedding dress. It was a stark white as well, so I put it in my bathtub at the time with about 600 tea bags and just let it sit for 2 days. The dress only cost me about $300, so if I ruined it, I wasn't out thousands of dollars. We had a super rustic backyard DIY wedding, and I think the dress just came out so beautifully. But back to present day. I let this sit overnight, and then the next day I rinsed it and let it drip dry. And here's the finished product. Sometimes taking a little risk can pay off, so don't be scared if you plan to try this out. Thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to live life in color. Please like the video if you like this. Subscribe if you want to see more, and I'll be back with another video very, very soon. Bye, you guys.